Okay, Mr. Ahmad Rashid.
My name is Ahmad Rashid. Nice to meet you, my son. God bless you.
Okay, the next is.
Can you clap?
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Mohibullah. Okay, our next is Zainul Abdin.
Thank you, madam. Thanks. God bless you. Everybody they want to say something. Thank you all of you people who are here for this communication for advanced class, and I love to thank for especially TLC, who is the honor of, I mean to say that the honor especially Sir Syed Afzal Hussain, and after that I love to thank my teacher Ms. Naseem Fatma. Due to her we got this diploma, and due to her we are here to get this diploma. Otherwise we are nothing. Thank you all.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. And afterward, I think it is that everyone has forgotten that how Umair has done his job in a great manner. How he has sung, by the way.
I mean, I sung, but I think he did better than me. Not better, I think it was a marvelous.
Yeah.
What did you say, guys?
What do you say? How Umair did perform?
I need your claps, and with the claps, we come to know that how was the performance of Mr. Umair.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I need little more. I need little more, really.
I think we need guys from the left side. We need clap, please, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Okay, Kazim. Yes. We are here, and you have also recently completed your advanced level.
Yep.
So, what is your future planning? I mean, if we just will you continue your diploma, or after taking your diploma, your learning process about the English?
Yes, of course, I must say that my journey of learning hasn't completed so far, because one of my teacher has mentioned one thing, that English language is just like an ocean, that you cannot drink it, but you can have enjoyment by swimming it. So my journey will continue till the end of my last breath. What about you?
I mean, same as you mentioned above, Mr. Kazim. I can't drink either as well.
Oh, really? Is it okay? Is it fine?
Kazim, I feel like I have a problem in my throat. I think I should consult the doctor.
Doctor, man, I think you should go to garage.
Garage? Why?
Man, this is the only place where your screws are going to be tied by mechanic.
Mr. Kazim, enough is enough, okay? In last session, I pulled your legs. Now you are trying to pull mine? You can't do this, man.
Am I trying? Buddy, I did it. But sorry for that. I think we should move ahead for our next performance, which is based on a great profession. So, would you?
Of course, it is a great profession, but unfortunately, it has been disgraced by some of black ships. I'm not going to tell what are they, but you will come to know after this skit. And I would like to call in your huge round of applause. I need your big clap for this skit, because the people who are coming here and they are performing, they need your...